It's your baby girl Yejide Adebola, aka Queen Ye. In today's video guys, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I achieve this look. As the title says, it's going to be beginner friendly, step by step and very detailed. So if you're a beginner and you just want to learn very simple basic look for yourself, you just want to go out and you don't really know how to do makeup for yourself, you actually clicked on the right video. Okay, I'll be giving you guys all the information you need to know about how to achieve this very simple basic look. Okay, so without too much talk, let's get right into the video.
First of all, you moisturize your skin, then you brush out your brows. Next step is to go with your eyeliner gel. I use that for my eyebrows. Actually, I use black and brown to start off with the upper and down parts of my eyebrows, just to give it that sharp edge. Then I use the brown to fill the inner parts. So you do the same thing for the other brows, then you fill it up just like you did for the first one. The front part doesn't need so much, just strokes. Next, you go with the concealer, where you just trace the edges to make it sharp, because the brows are already kind of perfect, so you're just using the concealer to make it look more visible and sharper. Next, you use the leftover concealer to clean your eyelid, then go on to do the second eyes like that. Fill it up, clean it up, make it look neat. Then that's it. Then you also do the upper part like that. Just trace it and follow the line the brows you already drew, just so it comes out sharper. Make the edge very sharp as well, just like I just did. Then clean it up with your leftover concealer. I really love my brows to be kind of dark, hence why I'm filling it up again. And next thing I'm going to be doing is to add more concealer to my eyelid, then blend it in with my beauty blender, so you make sure that you press it in. Next, I go with my powder. I blend my powder in, and next thing I'm going to be doing is to use my eyeshadow in color orange, very light. The next thing, I used eyeshadow again because we're going for a natural look. Then I draw my eyeliner, just make sure it's pointed, nothing too serious, nothing too dramatic. Now I fix my lashes off the camera, then I use my eyeliner on top again. Next, I darken my under eye with my eyeliner gel. Next is the foundation, which I use in Flawless Ivy 708. Most times I mix it with 607 as well, because I'm not that dark, neither am I as light as 607. So I just blend it in, like just press, dab, 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 press it in, and you continue doing it till your hands hurt. Actually, like just keep doing it, blend it in. Also blend it with your neck. Next is the concealer, which we're going to be putting under the eye and under the nose as well, just to make those places brighten up and come out well. Make sure you blend it very well. I think I put a little too much. Don't put this much, just put a little, since we're going for a very simple look. Now we're trying to contour the nose, but we're not doing too much, just the nose, trying to make it pointed. Next, I use my powder to blend everything in so that it doesn't look too bright. Next thing is my blush. I just apply little, but it came out way too much, but I like it that way anyway. So I just blend it in like very well, very well. And next thing I'm going to do is to use my beauty blender to blend it in. Next, you go in with your highlighter. Just do the nose, just try to follow the line to make it look pointed. Then you do your cheekbone as well. Don't put too much, but make the glow there, you get. Then next thing, you put on your lip as well, just like I'm doing, so that when you draw the lip liner, it's going to come out perfect, just like it's coming out perfect like this. So I use brown. These two shades gives me brown color. This like my go-to lip. Then you blend the upper part well, go in with the down part as well. Then we're actually going for a nude lip. Normally I leave my lips like this, but sometimes just to make it look, I add some spice, that's gloss, just like this. So you just continue blending the lip in. Don't put too much, but put a little too much. I don't even know how to do that, but anyway, that's just how it is. That's just how you go with it. Just blend it well. I use my spoolie to brush my brows just to make sure my brow hairs are not all over the place. Next thing, I use my All Control palette to, you know, blend everything in with my neck, like blend and blend and blend. So now we're done. Everything is actually set. Like everything is done.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching my video to this very moment. I hope it was helpful. I hope it was very well detailed, as I said it was going to be. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys love the way I look, because I'm actually feeling myself. I'm going to be dropping more makeup content here on YouTube, not just on Instagram. If you haven't seen my Instagram page, gdis.glam, please check it out, follow me and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I think I'm actually going to just film another content, because this makeup cannot waste. I've actually never been anywhere. I just did it for you guys. Do you understand? I just did it for you. So I'll just film another video which will be up, and I don't know if I'm going to upload it. I don't know if I'm going to upload the video before or after this one. Well, I think it will be after. I don't know, Sha. You guys should just stay tuned with me. Subscribe to my channel, please, if you want more makeup tutorials, makeup content like this. If there's any other kind of look you guys want me to do, any kind of, if you guys want creative looks as well, that's what I'm specialized in. So you can actually let me know in the comment section below. I'm also any kind of look anyway. If it's eyeshadow look, you know, another simple look, maybe calmer, or lip tutorial, anything beauty related, just let me know in the comment section below. Please check out my other videos. I have a lot of amazing videos as well. So thank you so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye.